It's just a quick video to show you and run you through how to work one of these Dometic three-way fridges. This particular one is an RM8400, so it's an 8 series, and as I say, it works 3 different ways. So you've got the way that I've got it working on at the moment, which is the gas. We've got 12 volt and 240 volts, so your electric hookup. So what I'll do to start with is I'll just turn it completely off so we can start from the beginning. So assuming that you've got a hookup cable plugged into the van, you can turn it once to the right just here and literally leave it alone. That is it. So all you have to do, once to the right, as long as you've got the hookup plugged in, that will then start cooling down via the 240 volt element in the back. If you've pre-cooled the fridge already, either on the mains electric or the gas, you can use the 12 volt switch just here, which will keep the fridge cold whilst you're driving. And the reason that I say that you have to pre-cool it first is that the 12 volt element isn't really powerful enough to cool the fridge down by itself. All it really does is hold the temperature whilst you're moving. So assuming, as I said, assuming you've already pre-cooled it, you can use the 12 volt. The other way to get the fridge cold by itself is the gas, as I mentioned. So what we'll do first is we'll turn it down to gas like we had it at the start. And then all you have to do from there is press in your ignition and the actual gas valve just there. And once you've done that, keep your eye on your little gauge over here. Now ours is already lit because I know I can see that it's up in the green there. But sometimes if you're lighting it up from the from cold, it will take a little bit longer to actually first light up. But that's all you have to do. Select gas, push in on these two at the same time, and just watch for this to go up into the green. The little orange bar needs to be up into the green. Once it's there, make sure that it stays there when you take your hand off of that valve just there. And to double check that that's definitely working, you can go to the outside and put your hand over the top right hand side of the vent there. This particular model doesn't have the viewing window inside, but assuming that that goes up into the green, to be honest, that gauge there actually physically works on heat, so it's a mechanical thing really. So you know, if that's up in the green, you can be pretty much certain that it's working. So that is how you work these Dometic fridges. Thanks very much.